morning, dear children. Now, this is a PowerPoint window and this is one slide. We can add new slide also. If I click on the home tab, this new slide button, if I click on this, there are 9 layouts of the slide from which we can choose. Title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only. So these are 9 layouts. We can choose any layout of this slide. By default, title slide is the layout that is selected. If we don't choose any layout, then this title slide layout is coming automatically. Now, we can also choose the layout of this slide by going to the home tab and this layout button. If I click on this layout button, different layouts are coming, and then from here we can choose. Suppose we want title and content. See, this is the title slide layout. It is like this, and if I choose title and content layout, it is coming like this. So we can choose the layout of the slide. If I click on the new slide and choose title slide, title and content, then a new slide is added with this layout. Okay. Now if I click on new slide, choose the title slide layout, click on this, a third slide is added with title slide layout. So I hope you have understood how to add a new slide and how to choose the layouts of the slide. Now let us, these dotted lines, these are the placeholders. Now let us see how to add text. If I click here, a cursor will come here, and from here I can type anything. We can add text here. See? And then if I click at the blank space, I have written. And if I want to delete, just click here and we can delete it. Click here and we can delete the text. Now if you want to delete any slide, select the slide first. It is yellow, so that means it is selected, and then click on the delete button. It is on the home tab, delete button. If I click on delete, see, the third slide has been deleted. So like this we write in the placeholders, we add any new slide, we delete any slide. Now let's see how to save a slide. If first, once we have made the presentation, how to save the presentation. I will click on home tab, sorry, office button, and then I'll click on save. It will ask me the location where I want to save. I may choose the drives, the C drive or the D drive, or I may choose the desktop, and then I will give the name here. Suppose I give the name class 4, and then I click on save. So like this presentation will be saved. Now how do you close this presentation? This presentation window can be closed by clicking on this close button, or by going to the office button, click on close, or we can exit PowerPoint application from this exit PowerPoint. So I hope you have understood.